I am your biology teacher from Ardens Progressive School, Haldwani. Today we discuss about the topic garbage management. What is the garbage? The household waste is known as the garbage. Every house produces a lot of garbage on daily basis. Garbage management includes method of disposing garbage with least effect on the environment. Firstly, the waste should be segregated as biodegradable or non-biodegradable, and the other ones are the recyclable materials. This enables the application of proper disposal treatment. There are various methods of waste disposal. Some of them are as follows. Now, the methods of waste disposal. The first one is recycling. Recycling. In this process, the waste materials are used to form a new products such as tin, paper, iron, plastic. These are some examples through which we forms the new product. And the second one is compositing. Now the third is incineration. In this process, this waste is burned to produce the ash. So in this the waste materials are burning. It is the process of burning of the waste so that the ash is produced. Now the fourth one is the landfills. Landfills. In this, the solid waste dumped into the soil. They cover by the soil. Now the fifth one is sewage treatment. And the sixth one is biogas treatment.
Now, students, listen carefully. I am telling you some points regarding these methods of waste disposal. First is recycling. It is the process of waste material to form new products. Materials like tin, cans, metallic articles, rags, proper paper, glass, polythene, etc. are the examples. These substances are easily recyclable. So instead of throwing these substances here and there and pollute our environment, we can use this process and make some new materials from it. Now the second is compositing. Biodegradable domestic waste such as leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels, etc. can be buried in a pit dug into ground. They are converted into composite and used as manure. For example, आप लोगों के घर में कोई भी चीज़ जो बच जाती है, जैसे कि हाँ खाना बच जाता है, फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स के बाहर के पील्स हो गए, वो सब आप इधर उधर फेंकने के बजाय एक छोटा सा पिट बनाइए, उसमें उन्हें डाल करके आप उसे ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट को डिकम्पोज कर सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपका एक अच्छा मैन्योर भी बनेगा. Now the third point is incineration. It is burning of a substance at high temperature to form ash. It reduces the volume of the waste considerably. It is commonly used to dispose hospital waste. Landfills, fourth one is the landfills. In this process, the solid waste is dumped into a low-lying area and covered it with soil. A big landfill site can be used to dispose waste material for a considerable time. Fifth one is the sewage treatment. Sewage is carried over to sewage treatment plants STPs. Here the sewage is filtered. Organic material in the sewage is allowed to settle down and decompose in large tanks. The water from these tanks is clean and is released into the water bodies. This is all about the sewage treatment. Now, the last is biogas production. In some places, sewage is decomposed anaerobically to yield biogas and manure.